be light. Right? When you say you're God, what does he really mean? Divine? What does that really mean, though, in functional real life?
You're the mind.
You can create.
Mind, creator of?
You can create.
You can create because of what?
Mind, thoughts, actions.
Think of that. Last week, I drew all the big fancy pictures.
You're the cosmic. We are blacks. People of color. Cosmic is actually the cosmic being of the universe.
But what does that mean in real life terms?
The ability to manifest.
Because of?
Where we came from, our
Spiritual.
Because of?
The source.
Source, which is? Infinite. Infinity. Potential. God, the true meaning of God. I don't like that word. I like Olodumaris. You know you invoke something different when you say God. It's a different power you call.
It's like
What should we say?
Olodumare, or something African. Olodumare. You're in Congo. It's Ngai.
How about something like Ra, Amen Ra?
Amen's better.
Okay, Amen Ra.
Amen Ra's not bad either. That's pretty accurate. Or Oduduwa. Okay. Olodumare, this word, God, Olodumare means potential. Or possibilities. Watch. I am God. I am Olodumare. I am infinite possibilities. If you believe that, you start acting as if you were Supreme Being. I'm the possibility of prospering right now. I'm the possibility of peace right here. I'm the possibility of strength in this moment. Isn't that possible? Therefore, you are like the Creator. Yes.
Could you share with us what type of energy we invoke when we use the word God as opposed to
Yes.
Olodumare system?
Surely, God comes from Hebrew. Hod. One of the archangels in the Hebraic system. Hod. H-O-D. Hod is one of the trickster gods, angelic beings of the Hebraic tradition.
Would he be sent?
Not quite, but close to him. He said, "Will he be set in Egypt?" The red one,
Not the midget sent.
the mean one.
The devil sent.
In Hebraic tradition, Hod battles God often, battles the Supreme Being often. Okay, so you're invoking a spirit of confusion. By that, these sounds, these letters combine as one. Okay? Olodumare means owner of ever expandingness. Owner of Odu. Owner Dudu. Oduduwa means blackness, cosmic blackness.
So when we call the ancestors up, I shouldn't say all righteous ancient ancestors, all righteous gods, known and unknown. I shouldn't say the word God at all.
I wouldn't.
I'm not going to say it no more.
See Orisha. You say Orisha, Abasom, for Afon people. Whatever works for you, but make it African. Okay.